This is how you remove unwanted things from your images. This is how you create custom images using AI, free of cost. After watching this video, you will be all set to design your next project. Let's go! Let's start from a little bit of inspiration. Let's go to Landingfolio.com. Landingfolio.com has all the pages covered for you. Maybe if you want to get an inspiration for your landing page, pricing, about us page, you can select from any category and we'll bring you to the similar kind of screen. You can open any design that you want and you can get the inspiration from there. Dribbble.com is not going to limit your inspiration by any means. You can go to discover animation, branding, graphic, anything, 3D art, whatever you have in your mind, you will find the inventory in here on their Dribbble.com for sure. Still not sure, still did not find your right inspiration, don't worry, let's go to Bhenace.com. Bhenace.com is an Adobe product. As you can see on the right hand side, this is an Adobe product. Again, if it is coming from Adobe, it's going to have millions and millions and millions of dollars of support and for sure inventory as well to back it up. So if you have anything in your mind, you just go on to the top search bar, type it here, and you will definitely get that inspiration. Pinterest.com is the next one for you. You can type whatever you have in your mind, whatever. You have whatever in your mind, you just type it here and you will be presented with all kind of designs for your next inspiration. Don't worry, like sometimes it happens. If you haven't found your right design inspiration for your next project, Google is your best friend. Google is my best friend as well. Let's go to Google. You can type whatever you want. You know Google, I don't want to have to tell you. So you can type best website design examples, like best landing pages, best about us pages. It's going to give you all the results that you need. Now you have got the inspiration. Let's move to the next step. Now you would need a color palette. The first solution to that problem is Coolors.co. You can start the generator from here or you can explore the trending palettes. I'm going to take you to the generator first. As you can see, you can press the spacebar and you can see more options. I'm going to start pressing spacebar. I'm seeing more options as I go. I can also go to the trending color palettes and whatever I like from here, whatever color I like if I want to go with the blue themes, light, dark, I can just copy the color hex code from here and I just copy and paste it wherever I'm designing my new product or new project, whatever the case is. Now, if your wish was to get the full gradient, not a single color from a color palette, your wish is my command. The solution is uigradients.com. I'm on their website. You can keep on going to the next screen, and you can also copy the color code or the hex code from here. You can paste it wherever you're designing, as I said previously. But if you want to download the full gradient, you can download it from here without any problem. You can use it for your project. Still cannot visualize the whole design? Huemint.com is a solution. On Huemint.com, you can see different color combinations. You can select the colors from here. You can select the colors from here. You can go to intersection and it's going to give you different color palettes or a combination, and the color codes are on the top. You can generate more as well as you go. And if you want to design or see how the website looks, how the magazine looks and accents, I'm going to give you example of a magazine. I can generate more colors. So I can give you inspiration like which color combination can go with or on your website. You do not want to choose any color, or you're still not clear what kind of color to choose from the color palettes or the gradients, and you wanted to have a specific color that you saw in your inspiration. You don't know the code of that color, don't worry, you got you covered. For that, you can download the Colorpick eyedropper extension. After that, you can open this extension. If you want to have this blue color for your button as well on your website, you can just click on this. It will give you the hex code, copy and paste and get the same blue color. Do you have the logo? No? Let's create one for you in seconds. Looka.com is a solution. It's asking me to give your business name. I'm going to say your business. I'm going to go and click on continue. I'm going to say technology. I'm going to click on continue and we'll create logos for me, or for you in this case, in seconds. I just clicked it and it's right here. Multiple options. And depending on the option that I will choose from here, it will create a different kind of logos for me. See, it is taking some time and created new logos. Here you go. What about the fonts? Did you like some from your inspiration and don't know the type of the font that they have used? Don't worry. For that, you can download the Chrome extension, what font. You can open this extension after downloading and you can hover over the text that you like. Click on that, you will get all the details. Boom, here you go. This is the time now to solve your images problem. Let's go to Unsplash.com. You can go to Unsplash.com, you can download any image that you want free of cost without any problem. Or if you don't like anything from here, the second option is Pexels.com. You can download any stock image from here. This is not a typical stock image, but again, like this is kind of a stock image that has been downloaded millions of times or hundreds of thousands of times by other people. Don't want to use something that has been downloaded by millions of people or hundreds of thousands of people? You want something custom? I got you. I'm using Canva AI generator. I just typed in blue jays and it gave me 2 results. I can select and I can design on top of it. This is not a photo. This is a custom AI generated image. I can start again to show you. I typed in blue jays in here. I'm gonna say parrot. I'm gonna say generate image. It's gonna take a few seconds and it will create few options for me. Here you go. Now you got the parrot, isn't it? So I'm gonna delete the blue jay. I'm gonna select parrot from here. This is custom parrot created by AI for you. This is not going to be found anywhere else in any of the stock photo. This is custom for you without spending time, without trying to find parrot for your photo shoot. You got the image. Now you want to remove the background. Let's drag and drop the photo from where you want to remove the background on Remove.bg. I dragged and dropped from this photo, background is gone. Okay, so you do not want to remove the whole background, just want to remove few people or objects from the background. Drag and drop the image from where you want to remove the object on Cleanup.pictures. I'm going to continue with SD. So I'm going to remove the chair from here. Boom, it's done. Wonderful, isn't it? If you want to use screenshots in your design, go to Awesome Screenshots website. You can download the Chrome extension from there. Click on the Chrome extension and you can click on the visible part or maybe the full page. Boom, here you got the screenshot from your screen. Now illustrations is what you want. Go to undraw.co. You can see all the illustrations that undraw.co have on their website. You can change the color of these illustrations from here. I'm gonna pick anything from here. I'm gonna pick yellow for now. I can choose this one. I can download the SVG or download the PNG from here. If I want to search something specific, I can go out to the top. I'm gonna type in marketing, for example. I'm gonna say yes. It's gonna give me all the answers that I need for my illustration. I can change the color, download in the color that I want. If you're not familiar with Canva, it is pretty easy to use. You can create your custom design. You can give the custom sizes. You can select the sizes, predefined or default sizes from here. You can select on top of it. You can design it. You can have whiteboard presentation. All of the options are here. This is a pretty vast tool. You don't want to use Canva. You want to go with something custom. You want to go with something professional. You can use Photoshop.com for that. Photoshop has trial version for 7 days, but you can have paid version after that. But if you don't have money for that much spending, you can use Photopea as an alternative to Photoshop. Photopea is similar. You can open this Photopea on the web browser. You don't have to download it. It can be used on a web browser. It is like almost exactly similar to what we have in Photoshop. All the tools are almost same. You can design it in web browser without paying anything. It's free of cost. If you were watching this video to create social media designs for you and you created some designs using Canva or Photoshop, but you don't have the time to resize all the designs that you have made, Pixelhunter IO is a solution. Drag your image here, boom, you're pretty much done. It is uploading, it is creating designs for you. It has created designs right here. So you have the profile picture, image, post, like square, stories. It has resized everything for you. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to create a design from your scratch. If you want me to cover more design tools like this, show me some love by liking this video, subscribing to this channel, and sharing this video with someone who wants to design something and who would get benefit out of all these design tools.